Hello guys, how are you? How is doing on? Today I try to show you guys how you can claim the Quanttekel free account. So I will show every process. So follow me. First of all, you go to your email account that you have registered before. So you should have to think that email. Then after that you click this three dot. Then after go to the promotion section. This one promotion. Then after that you have to scroll down, scroll. There you go. Quanttekel free account is here. If you haven't received any email, try to scroll like this way, because it going to the process the new email like this, down. Okay, so look at it. After that you go to the free account. This that I got yesterday night. So head traders blah 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 blah. This is a free account. Okay, here is how to redeem your giveaway. The process is like this way. Select QVT power 5K. Okay, first of all you try to select this one, QVT power 5K valuation. How you can select this one I will show you guys later. So check out your selection. So following these 4 steps there, you can get the account. So the unique code is here. You can look at here. Your unique checkout code will give away 5689997. This is right. So this code is mine. Already I applied. So I copy this one. Already I applied this code. So like this way. Then after that, after you copy this your code, you go to the browser, or click here. You have the website. So open in browser this website. There were the Quanttekel website. It is a broker. Then we go to there. Then after that we apply this code and how you can register and receive correctly. So let's go. So look at here. Look at here. So here we have the account is here. You choose platform is MetaTrader 5. This one, the first one. It is very important. Choose MetaTrader 5. If you are outside of USA, MetaTrader 5 is okay. Then after you choose that one, after you choose MetaTrader 5, you come here. This one, QT power. You choose that one, QT power. The sometimes your evaluation type is QT power. You must understand this one. You must fill. If you fill another one, you lose your account. You don't get in a proper way. So you have to choose QT power. Then the step two step evaluation. Click this one. Then after that the account balance is 5K. You use 5K is okay. Then you summarize your account summary here. So platform is 3 5, unlimited 4 days, 3 maximum day lose. Maximum lose is 8. Profit target is 6. And profit P1 6%. You should have to get a profit in step 1. Then step 2 is another one. So after that, after you finish this one, buy challenge. Click buy challenge. Then after all this, you must fill your email. What email you used before? So what email you have used? For example, my email like this way. If I choose this one, then after that first name, your first name, choose, okay, and last name that you have used before. Must understand that one, what email you used, what name you used. So you both two things are very important. If you use another one, you will not get that account. You must sure that one. Then your country and address where you live, town, city. Let me prefer to go to next step. Address is here, blah 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 blah. City is blah 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 blah. You use exact one, blah 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 blah. Okay, blah 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 blah. Then after that, you come here and what you do, add coupon. The code you fill here, the code, that's a copy from your email. You copied from your email, then that giveaway code here, paste. Where is it? Paste here. Then yeah, full here. The paste. After that, you go to the place order. Place order. Okay, this code already applied, so you can move to the next step. So after that, you order here. After you fill everything, okay, I have place order. This one, place order. I have read and understand, then place order. Then after that, you come here